What's going on, YouTube? It's Mark, the Mercado channel. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have another brand new video for every single one of you guys. So thank you guys for the support. I'm going to try to push out the videos for you guys, you know, spreading love in the community and to my supporters. But today, I'm not going to do so much talking. The topic of the day is going to be how much money can you really make from Honor charity boxes, guys. So stay tuned, stay blessed. Before we get started, we're going to take a rundown to get some inventory, and then we'll see you guys back home very soon. So let's get out of here.
How many did you got last time?
We got 3, so we're going to need 3 again.
$8.99. Credit $14.99. Please remember to take your receipt and all of your change.
Not lovers, we're definitely getting to read. White chocolate. This lasts a good amount of time. We were, we're gonna get, one is fine, right?
I would get 2.
2, we're gonna really have inventory.
Yep.
Wow, 2 plain. Alright guys, we're back home. As you can see, boxes right here, all our wall, our inventory. So just to run you through the numbers, guys, you guys are here for the numbers. How much money can you make with a Honor box business, guys? We started with 20 boxes on location, guys. I'm gonna run you through the numbers from slow locations to decent locations to good locations. We experience all 3 of them, so we're gonna also tell you how much you can make with these 3 locations, guys. But in order to get started, guys, obviously you need the boxes. I'm going to link these boxes in my description. If you guys are interested, you guys can use my discount code Mercado for a discount on these boxes to get started on your business. All right? For 20 boxes, you're going to relatively need about $200 to fill all these boxes with product, okay? Obviously, your first month in business, you're going to run through a lot of inventory because you have to fill every single box completely full, whether you do just pops or candies. We do candies and pops. If you do pops, maybe a little easier for you. You can just go buy blow pops from your local wholesale. We get it from BJ, so it's like $8.99 per box, which is awesome. Those are 9 cents per piece, guys. But we needed about $200 worth of inventory to fill 20 boxes. We are now going to be at 30 and then 40, and we're going to, by the end of this month, we should be, you know, at 40 locations. So we're going to run you through how much you can make and how much we are making each month from these boxes. With 20 boxes on location, a slow location that makes about $20 a month, which is very slow. It's $5 a week. You can make $400 a month just with 20 slow locations, okay? That's with just slow. Now, if you have a decent location making you $40 a month, which is, you know, a lot of our boxes do $40, $60, $80, even $100 a month. With $40 a location per box, you can make $800, guys. $800 in a month with 20 boxes with some decent locations. Now, if you have a lot of good locations, like some of ours, let's say you got only 20 boxes, right? Still 20 boxes. And you're making $60 to $80 a month per box, you can literally make, guys, $1,200 a month extra by running a business with just 20 boxes, guys. That is literally with only 20 boxes. Now, obviously, guys, if you guys got 40 boxes like we do, we actually have more than 40 boxes now. We're going to place them out. Your numbers can literally double in a month. So if you got 40 boxes doing $20 a month, you're looking at $800 a month with slow locations. If you got $40 a location with 40 boxes, you're looking at $1,600, guys. Now, to the good part, Because this is what really makes everyone excited. Is like, oh wow, I can make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month with charity boxes. No way. Yes, you can, guys. This is a business that you do see your investment very fast. This is a business that you make your money pretty fast, while also doing it for a good cause. But like I said, if you have 40 boxes making you $60 per box, which is good, you can make $2,400 a month, guys. Minus your product cost, you can literally bring home over $1,500 just with charity boxes, guys. It all ranges on locations, how much you spend on candy, all that stuff, how many boxes you have. But like I said, I ran you through a slow location, a decent location, and a good location, guys. So whether you have a slow location, you can still make good money. If you're making $20 a month per box, you can make $400 a month. If you have 20 boxes making you $40 per box, you can make $800. And like I said, if you have a good location that's making you $60 a month, which is $15 a week average, you can make $1,200 extra income a month, guys. Like, everyone thinks like, oh wow, do those boxes really make you money? Yes, guys. In reality, the truth, you're hearing it here. You can make lots of money with charity boxes, and you're doing the right thing because you're also helping a cause. A lot of people say, oh, we're not donating a lot. We're following and going by the agreement of this company. So this is what we do. We follow the rules. We donate what we have to, and then if we have anything extra, which a lot of times we do, we'll donate it as well. But that's the vendors' decisions. We also partner with other charities, so we're not just dealing with them. We're dealing with the NCCS as well for our vending business, our candy machines. You guys ever have any questions, drop them down in the comments. Feel free to email me any questions. If you really have like some serious, deep concerns about the business, you can email me. You can catch me there. And yeah, guys, this right here is our wall. We plan on continuing to expand, place these boxes. We should have some more boxes out this week. We're going to try to place some ourselves. And as you can see, inventory is full. This is how you want to have it. And if you guys are wondering what candies we put in our boxes, we got Blow Pops. We got some fruity stuff like Laffy Taffies, Jolly Ranchers, Starbursts. Here we got our main sellers like Twix, Three Musketeers, Milky Way, all that good stuff. Reese's, Peanut Butter Cups, Snickers, regular M&Ms, peanut M&Ms, guys. Hershey's, white chocolate, dark chocolate. We got the York peppermint patties that do awesome. We had to grab another box today. And as you can see, we have a bunch of Blow Pops because we just love Blow Pops and people love Blow Pops. And guys, this is going to end the video. I feel like I did a lot of talking, but I just want to let you guys know that yes, you can make a lot of money with honor boxes. I can't promise that it could be forever, but if you want to make it a forever business, a forever job, whether it's full-time or part-time, yes, you can go out and place these boxes every single day of your life. Go out 1 hour or 2 hours. You can work your own hours with these charity boxes. You can do it if you want to do it. Is that your goal, is to make fast money while also helping a charity and for a good cause? So be it, guys. A lot of money is to be made in the vending business, not just with full line machines, not just with candy machines, not just with claw machines and coin pushers and all this stuff. Guys, charity boxes make real, legit, fast money. You heard it here. Experience it for yourself. I'm speaking from my experience with my family. What we are going through. We're literally with the 20, we've made, over $700, guys, a month just with 20 boxes. That goes to show that we have some good locations, some slow ones, and some decent, as I explained. But guys, you can really build a very successful route, successful business for yourself. There's no excuses, guys. There's no excuses. I am going to end this video here. Thank you guys all so much for watching. This is the Mercado channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.